In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot your Skillshare account issues. Step 1. Check your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password. Use the forgot password option if necessary to reset your password. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable internet network. Restart your router or try a different network if the issue persists. Step 3. Clear your browser cache. Go to your browser settings and locate the Clear Browsing Data option. Clear the cache and cookies, then restart the browser and log in again. Step 4. Update your payment information. If you are having issues with your subscription, check your payment method. Update your payment information in the billing section of your account settings. Step 5. Contact Skillshare support. If none of the above steps resolve your issue, contact Skillshare support. Visit the help center and submit a detailed ticket about the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in comments down below.